Let's welcome to the series of Cloud Engineering Roadmap with 2025 skills, certifications, and career guide. And in this Cloud Engineer, we are going to discuss what is Cloud Engineer basically. So, as the definition here says, outlines your skills, certification, tools need in success in the field of cloud engineering. So, there is a phased approach. Like first, what you need to learn, and then how to approach with the foundational knowledge and some concept like DevOps, containerization, things that we are going to learn. Imagine you are working in a company and then want to become a cloud engineer with all the tools where you want to excel this. So coming to cloud engineer phases, first thing like foundation. In foundation, what are the concepts will come? Platform proficiency, networking, automation, containerization, DevOps, advanced. We'll discuss one after the another in this particular cloud engineer. So first thing is like programming. Any of the programming language like Python or Java. If you have some basic, it is good to understand the APIs of cloud that will be running on the any of AWS, Azure, and GCP. So coming to operating system, you will be understanding familiarity of types of operating system used in the organization, where you use Windows, Linux, Cisco, or Mac OS operating systems as on the cloud. Next, coming to networking, it is also one of the core concept of understanding cloud computing to understand the layer of OSI with TCP IP routing protocol. This will help you to understand and also make sure networking is a part of the cloud engineer, so that you do not want to go deep into networking, but understanding the networking in terms of basic level to intermediate, which help you to work with security group, NAC, NACL, and the terms of virtual machine, it will be helpful. So coming to this next one, security containerization and infrastructure as a code. In terms of security practices like understanding inbound, firewall, network, these things. And coming to containerization, the DevOps tools hosted on the cloud platform like Docker, Kubernetes, other things also there. Majorly, you'll be working like EKS, Docker containers, and all that. The most important skill of a cloud engineer like infrastructure as a code. On day-to-day basis, Terraform is one of the code which we'll be using, and it is like a code where you are going to reuse for the creation of infrastructure in the organization. So what is Terraform, how Terraform works, how CloudFormation template work, how AWS CloudFormation, Azure Resource Manager, and other services are there, right? How it will work is very important to understand. Next, coming to DevOps principle, in order to become a cloud engineer, the foundation of DevOps principles are very important, like plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, monitor, and cloud platform proficiency. Basically, on your resume, you will see that either you want to go on AWS, Azure, GCP, IBM Cloud, OCI, Oracle, DigitalOcean, how many number of clouds that you worked in real-time project, that will be added advantage for you to excel in the cloud platform. So here, the DevOps, the cloud platform is the one which is going to help you to make sure to be in the place to understand the platform engineering as well. So in the coming session, I'll explain you about in extension with how a cloud engineer becomes a platform engineer. So finally, certifications are important. Practically, you will do a lot of things in the project, but certification help you to understand the core concept of service model, deployment models, and how these services are being working in detail with the knowledge of concept that will be comes under certification level as well. So here also the certifications are there, and I'll discuss more about certifications in one video, combining starting level to advanced level of certifications. Finally, in order to become a skilled engineer of thing, you need to know platform knowledge, operating system, DevOps principle, virtualization, web service, API, security, programming, networking, on an average, infrastructure as a code tool, containerization, and also some part of platform engineering. So finally, these are the skill certification career guide you needed in cloud engineer roadmap. So if any of the things that you want in detail, you can be comment in chat box so that I'll make a video on that in terms of exposure, real time projects in 2025. So thank you.